Okay guys, good day. So today what we're going to do, we're going to change the original stem clamp or folding clamp to the thicker one. Okay, you can find it on our website or you can find it through our dealers. So first thing first, you have to fold down the stem. So lift this up, bring down the stem. And the screw here. Okay, it comes with a washer. Take note, don't lose the washer. Take out the old stem clamp. It's very easy. Next, we're gonna put in the new one. Okay. Now we're gonna insert this one. So what you do? Take a size 4 Allen key. There's a setting screw given to you. Screw it in. This is to expand the clamp. Okay, next, to slot it in, ensure that this opening face upwards. Okay, so it should be like that. Okay, the reason why you need that is to let the screws here sit inside. Next, okay, catch the alignment, fit back the screw, and then the lock nut. Okay, once that's done, you'll be able to fold it up. Okay, this is not the end process. Okay, unscrew that screw a bit. You realize this clamp is pretty firm already. And there you go. You prevent all shaking. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Have a nice day.